Hey everyone, welcome to the super awesome and second video tutorial of Digitonus channel. This video is in continuation of our past video where we have learned how to enhance the appearance of our desktop by keeping it very alive and awesome. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can keep our desktop very clean and we can give it a very simple look and we can enhance the appearance of our desktop look. So let's start with the video tutorial. So what we have to do first, we have to download a software. The name of this software is Rainmeter. All the download links, whatever I am downloading, you will find there in the description of this video. So you can go to the description of this video and you can download all the related things. So just open the Rainmeter website. What you have to do, you have to download the software, that is the beta version. Please don't download the final one, download the beta version. It is just of 2.5 MB size, so it will just take a minute to download. So what I have done, I have already downloaded the related files and folders, so I am not downloading them again. Okay, just to showcase to you that you have to download this software, I have come to this point. So what you need, you download this software. Let me download it again for you. Okay, once you download it, you have to download the another folder, that is Monstera Leaf themes. There is a theme, Windows theme, that you have to download. The description you will find in the download link. This is the second part. What you have to download next, you have to download the dock icons theme. Also, to download this part, you will find the link in the description of this video. Next, you have to download a software that is called Nexus Dock. Okay, so you have to download this software also. To download this software also, you will find the link in the description of this video. Fine. So what I have done, I have downloaded all the particular and the specific requirements which we require. Here is a folder of mine where I have already downloaded all the softwares. Fine. So what first we need to clear our desktop. So we have to remove the icons. So right click on the desktop, go to the view and then deselect this show desktop icons. Once you done this, right click on the taskbar, go to the taskbar settings, and in the taskbar setting, what you need to do, just automatically hide, activate this part, automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So now our desktop is very clean, nothing is there, no icon, no taskbar. Now what we have to do, we need to install the Rainmeter software. Okay, so we will go to the our folder where we have just downloaded the software. Rainmeter is there. To install this software, go for standard installation. Next, install. Now once you have downloaded this folder, click on finish. Now it will give you some skins on the desktop. Some screen will be appearing on your desktop. So what you have to do, you have to unload all the skins. So right click on the skin and click on unload. Same with this, unload. Again select this and then unload. So what we have done, we have removed all the skins which are displayed by the software Rainmeter. Now next, again we'll go to the folder. Now what we have to do, we have to unzip this folder, that is Monstera Leaves theme. So we'll unzip this part. Once it is done, let me show it in large icons. You open this folder and then there is a image file. So you open the image file. It is taking some time to load as these images and these skins are in high size. So once this image get load, okay, so once this image get loads, what you have to do, right click here and then set as a background. So you need to change the background of your desktop. So once you have done this, close this and minimize. Now the same particular image has been applied on our desktop background. Okay, now what you have to do, a part of this image, okay, whatsoever folder are there, you select all the folders, copy down these folders and then go to the desktop, document, go to the documents folder, then there is a folder that is rain meter. Open this folder, rain meter, open skins and you need to paste it. Whatever folders you have copied from the themes folder, you need to copy it. Apart from image you don't have to copy, and then paste it in the rain meter in the skin folder. Once you have done this, minimize this part. From the tray, you just open the rain meter software and then click here on refresh. Once you click on here refresh, all the folders which you have copied in the rain meter, that will appear here. So first go to this animated weather, then click on weather forecast, select this file weather forecast and click on load. Fine. Once you have clicked on this, you need to change the coordinates if it is not visible. Maybe it is not visible because it's come in smaller size. So what you need to do, for me it is visible, I can show you. So let's change it, and position, keep it on desktop. Okay, change the position on desktop and then you select the another folder, that is Sonex clock. Select this file, again load, position on desktop. Select the third file, visualizer, select this, click on load, position on desktop. Fine. Once you have done this, you close it. Now date is there, this is the clock. You need to arrange the clock on the center of your desktop. Now here, see, here is a small, very small icon that is of weather. Okay, you need to select it as it is coming. Now it is not displaying the weather because we need to change the location. We need to change the location of the weather. So for changing the location of weather, what we need to do, just select Yahoo. And then you have to select the weather. Click on more and select the weather. So what actually you need to do, you need to select the Yahoo weather URL. Okay, showing for India, you need to change the location. Suppose I am selecting mine, it's displaying the current weather condition here. Now select this URL. Okay, what you need to select this URL, copy down it, select the URL and copy it down, minimize this. Now here on the weather skin, right click, then go to the edit skin. It will open a notepad file for you. In the notepad file, what you have to do, where it is written context action 3, one URL is there. Okay, what you need to do, it is already there, yahoo.com/news/weather. So you just replace it with the URL you have copied. Fine. One place you have replaced this. Another, measure weather, replace this URL, and location, you again replace this. Once you have done this, click on the file icon and click on save and close this notepad file. Again right click on this weather skin and select refresh. Once you have done this part, it will take some time to display the weather conditions. It's not getting load. Let me again use Yahoo. Maybe I have copied down this part. Copy down this URL. Right click, go to edit skin. Change the URL which you have written here. There is some problem with that URL. It's not working fine. I'm changing the URL as a new one. File, save, close this part, and then refresh skin. Okay, now it is there. Now we can keep. See, it is not draggable, means you are not able to drag this. So what you need to do, again right click on this part, go to the settings and then deselect this option, keep on screen. Again right click, go to setting and snap to edges. You have to deselect these two, then you will be able to move this part. Okay, so I am keeping it here. So we have finished with that part, that is the weather. Now what we need to do, we need to install the dock part. Okay, so we have another software that we have downloaded, that is the Nexus. So we will right click on this, unzip the folder Nexus. Once we have unzipped it, open, install. click on next, and it will start installing the software, that is Nexus 19.2. This is the latest version we have. Once it get installed, you need to launch it. Please remember that this particular checkbox is to be remain selected, and then click on finish. Minimize this. This is installing the Nexus dock. Now see, on the top of the desktop we have the dock part. Fine. Now here what we need to do, go to the folder again where we have installed all the part. Now there is a folder that is called Monstera Leaves dock icons. Okay, so you need to extract this. Now once you extract, it has icons, okay, and a backup file. Please remember that it has a backup file also. Now minimize this. Now click on this Nexus icon here. Once you click here, it will open the dialog box. Go to the Advanced tab, click on the Advanced tab, and here you please click on Restore. So once you click on this Restore button, it will ask you for a file. You have to select the same file, means you need to go to the download. Maybe in your computer the location is different, the themes which you have downloaded. Now Monstera Leaves dock icons and backup. Open this and select this backup file which I have shown you earlier. Open and then apply and OK. So once you have done this, what will be happen means it will just restore the dock icon to its default look at the bottom of the desktop. Now here, which is appearing this file Nexus, right click on it. Okay, what you have to do, right click, go to the option that is dock entry properties, click on change icon, click on browse. Now go to the same folder where you have unzipped that dock icons theme and select the icon that is settings, first icon. First icon has changed. Now the second icon is for shutdown. So right click, go to again dock entry properties, change icon, browse, then downloads, again go to the specific folder and select this and open. Okay. So one by one what you need to do, you need to change all the icons. So what I am doing, I am just putting it on fast forward move, okay, so that we can save our time. Just this is the last one I am showing you how you can change, and then after this I will fast forward it. Okay, so we have changed all the icons. Now this is appearing like this. Fine. So here is the final look. So after doing all the settings, all the changes that are needed, so this is the final look you will get. Now one more thing I would like to add here, although I don't have the dog part here, but we have added the visualizer also. So let me play a song and then only it will work. I'm playing the song here and see the visualizers are working now. If you want to change the place, if these visualizers are not appearing at the right place, just you select it and you can place them at any of the location. It is up to you where you want to place them. So I want that these visualizers should appear here, one here and one on the bottom of this weather scale. To change it, to make it draggable, to change the position, right click on this, go to the settings and you need to change keep on screen. Fine. So this is the final look, final appearance of this desktop, which will come after making all the settings. So guys, if you like this video, if you really like the appearance of this desktop, please hit the like button, share the video with your friends and family members, subscribe the channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon for latest videos. So here I am ending this video. You please practice this at your home. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.